Okay guys, so BBAI, Big Bear. So they reported earnings, looks like after market close. I did not listen to it. I did not watch it, but I just looked at the highlights. So it looks like they lost money and they did acquire, what is it? Panagia acquisition, case of Panagia. So they acquired somebody. Net loss 21 million in Q4 2023. Positive second consecutive quarterly positive adjusted EBITDA in Q4. So this is a relatively new company, but that's not the point of the video. So I was digging through SEC. I'm not seeing their 10K. Are they late to report 10K or they still have time? So that's what I want to see, because last time, so what I'm looking at here is outstanding shares. Well, smaller companies, they need capital to scale, right? To basically expand. And especially at its growth stage, they won't be making money. They have to spend more money to scale, right? So we get that part. So I dig down to this, where last time they filed shelf offering, which is very important for small caps, okay? S3 form, it was filed back in right here. Well, as of April, so it looks like it was filed back there. So according to them, back then, they did share stock offered by selling stockholders up to 113 million. This is shelf, I believe. So they were selling it little by little. And at the time, outstanding shares of this company was 142 million. You can see it right here, 142 million shares as of April 2023, right? And if I go to my Thinkorswim right here, which shows me, I dig through many sites. There are a lot of websites that are late, but I trust Thinkorswim more than anything out there, because I trade with this account. This is my live account. So it is showing me that they have currently 219 million shares outstanding. So, which means if they wanted to dump 113 million, I am believing now right here, when their 10K comes out, they will tell you that they sold some shares, the rest of the basically remaining. How much remaining? Well, 113 million plus 142, 150, so 30 million or so. I am believing they sold 30 million or so. They raised capital here because in hand from this earnings report, they have about like 20 something million cash left. So yeah, well, they're gonna, sorry about that, they're gonna dilute you guys. I want to see up to which point they can issue shares. Are they at the point where they can issue shares up to 500,000, or I mean 500 million, 500 million, or what? But this company is relatively new. If you are investing in companies that don't make money, you have to be watching very carefully their financial statements. So if volume was insane last 2 weeks, this is a weekly chart, and if you take a look at it, looks like it went public through SPAC. Was that the case? I don't know. I'm not sure, but usually when I see price action like this, straight, and then acquisition, blah blah blah, they merger through, and then it goes public. So it looks like all-time highs 1612, at least on my chart. I was personally watching and added this name, including SoundHound, somewhere here off of this move. And ever since, it wasn't doing anything. I just set my alert right here. You can see if it gets above 676, let me know. I'll be probably trading it for a breakout. So same situation right here, right now. So in terms of support resistance levels, here's what I'm watching for this stock. Let me switch back to hourly chart. So $3, well, looks like we'll see tomorrow. So if it stays above $3, we'll see. This is the support I'm watching. And then 384 resistance from here now. And if it doesn't hold 3, it can come down to 250. And if we bring up the moving averages, you can see 20-day moving average at the moment 266, 50-day moving average 220, 200-day moving average 188. So those are the support levels for Big Bear. That's the video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Peace.